All right, so I am cleaning up my geraniums. And we'll be watering them a little bit here. And I toggled a button to stop the background noise, so hopefully my fan keeps kicking on, so hopefully that doesn't drown me out. I tend to talk loud anyway, but I just love this time of year when it's winter and it's cold out, it's brown and yucky. And I can come down here and just see all the color in my greenhouse and just see everything flourishing and everybody's happy, and that makes me happy, seeing that stuff. My little lizards over here. See him before. My little lizard that I saved on December 25th. I was moving some blocks, building my cold frame. And thought I crushed him and brought him in, and he was fine. He was living. In fact, he loves it in here because it's nice and warm. Let me see if I can show you. He's just a little guy. He's about 2 inches tall. Can you all see him? That little guy right there, he's sitting in the sun. Hi, Leland. Hello, lizard. So, he likes it in here. And then I won't see him for a while. He'll hide, and then I don't see him. Today he decided to come out. I saw him probably a month ago. So he comes and goes in here. He hides, and I think he likes this little warm greenhouse. And right now it's 82 degrees, so I think he enjoys that. So there we go. All right, got another red one here. We'll clean up, get all the dead leaves off, and fix her up. And these two, like I said, they're gonna I'm gonna have to end up pulling them out, because inside they're just a big root ball, and the water just shoots right through these. There's no soil to keep those roots nice and moist all the time, so I have to do some not transplanting, but just kind of backfilling with some new soil. I don't do the lives too often. I'll do more come summertime when I'm in the garden, because I like to do my garden lives, garden tours. So, and this winter I am only doing a few for the, this greenhouse and stuff, to be able to show you all what it's like to have a greenhouse in the winter, and just how pleasant it is. And how much it can save you money. You know, geraniums are annuals, at least where I'm at. I'm in Rio Rancho, New Mexico, growing zone 7B. And, geraniums will not last outside this time of year. So if I was to not bring these inside, either in my home or inside my little greenhouse here, then I would have to buy new ones in the spring and start all over. So I built this little greenhouse to start seeds, and to also overwinter my potted annuals and tender perennials that I have, like boxwoods and stuff.